Welcome back to Tecnoguías. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can put features, histories on Facebook. What we are going to go is you open your Facebook, and to do once we start, we are going to select your history, create history, select, for example, this, and share the only in my case Facebook, cancel, and history is update. We go to our pro life, press in and press edit pro life. We can see many options and highlights. Try it and select the history, this, and next. And this is all, guys. We have highlights on Facebook. And thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more content with this.